Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikel Drew Pelham. I talk about digital fashion design software and communication for fashion entrepreneurs on this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Because it's the end of the year and holiday season, I usually keep it short so you can quickly be informed and then get back to your day. So today, I just want to mention two things going into the new year. First, if you're thinking about starting or growing your fashion business, whether that be a fashion product or freelance design services, now is always a good time to do it. And going forward, this channel will be doubling down on how to support fashion entrepreneurs in that endeavor. Second, I know we talk about digital software, but going forward, there will be much more emphasis on how and when to incorporate those digital tools. And don't worry, I'll still be doing a demo of how to use them. But honestly, there are a lot of digital tools out there, especially now that we've started talking about AI. So I want to make sure that if you're a fashion entrepreneur, you're clear on not only what's available to you, but also if you really need them. My dad used to say that sometimes people feel like they need to be in on every prayer that's prayed, but you don't. So even though it's the hot new tool available, it doesn't mean you have to be using it. I've already got a few tools in the new year that I want to share and demo for you. But again, I want to emphasize how and why you might use it in your workflow so you can make the decision about whether you really need it, especially if it's another tool you have to pay for. Thanks for watching today's video. I'm very excited to really double down on how digital tools fit into your workflow and how they'll help transform and grow your business. If you want to start experimenting now with some of the tools I currently use and recommend, make sure you check out this video next. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this if you found it helpful. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in the new year.